Hi everyone, let's see today's energy shift. I welcome you all in my safe space. Feel free to be a part of this community where we share uh, we share energy basically. And of course, we share our life lessons, we share what we know, we work as a close knit community. So let's check how is the energy today, what is the guidance for us. Okay, too many, but I'm gonna take the moon card. Okay. You need to hydrate yourself a bit if you're not hydrating because that's what the energy was. Okay, so look after your money flow. Like how is the your money is flowing, particularly. I need one more card actually. I need that one more card. Okay, yes. There was a card which wants to come and I'm gonna take the three also. Right. Let's see the bottom energy. Five of Cups. Emotionally, some sort of, I'll say some sort of burden, or emotionally, you are not able to process something. You are in the middle of processing something. Today, it might happen that some sort of news you might get, or some sort of, you know, shift happens where you are all of a sudden in this place of feeling sad, feeling sorrow, or something like that. And in that space, in that time and space, you have to remember one thing, that there is a hope. There is a hope in this kind of disguise also. The hope is that do not lose yourself in this process, because this is something which is just like a temporary shift. So I am thinking, or I'm seeing it something like that, when we have a rainy day, right? It's not a permanent, it is not gonna be permanent, as in that it is always going to be cloudy outside. No, the weather changes, so does our mood, or so does our emotion changes. So we have to understand that part also. If we are feeling down, we should accept that, and then we should move ahead. Then we should be, a bit. Then we should consider it in a way that, yes, it shall also pass. So when in whichever climatic condition of yourself you are, you should accept that, and then you should move forward, because nothing is permanent. Yet we have to be mindful of what we are getting here. Okay, or what we are diving into. So we have the magician. Of course, we have the power to actually change everything which is not working for us. Or we are the master creators, right? We are our own master creators, and we can change our own destiny by using our own power better. So we should understand that fact, very well, because if we understand it, then only we can change a lot of things. Moving ahead, mm, I feel some sort of collaborations can hit up specifically in terms of your own self. So I'm not saying it to be a collaboration of outside. I feel it is your own collaboration. Your own things are collaborating. Maybe it's a kind of a scene that where something or the other, an emotional thing comes and shows up, and you feel very diverted. You feel very consumed by it. You might go in this kind of a thing that, okay, this is taking my space for the whole day. You are actually going in this space where you're feeling like, okay, I'm just soaked by this energy, I'm just going there. But see, so much, there is a brighter side, but there is a side of you which is taking or making you go in that pit and feel sorrow. But you have a better, or the the better side as well. But for that, you need to actually see that thing. Like see this demography as well. If you see this person is facing that side, and he's actually only and only concentrating on the things which go bad. So only negative thinking, only negative thoughts. But if he would have seen this side, of course he have these two cups as well. But if we see this side, so much brighter side, we are able to see on the plate. Even when I got the moon card, I can clearly understand one more thing, that the shadowy thing, whatever this sort of sorrow or guilt or shame or this negative feeling you are getting, it is somehow related to your past, as in you haven't processed that emotion. So if any emotion shows up today, definitely process it, because you need that processing part. And if you are able to process it, you will be able to move towards a better future. Actually, I'm seeing this to be you yourself doing, you are collaborating with your own stuffs, you are working on your own things, you're making your own coin basically, and then you are building slowly and steadily a legacy. See, it takes time, it takes years, it takes efforts, but it is a promise. But here, what I'm able to see is that everything is there. You have the power, you are a magician, you are your own life's magician, you have the creator's energy. But what is blocking you is your shadow, is a emotion which is in a low vibration, which shows up seasonally, and then you just get bogged up by that situation or consumed by that feelings or energy or whatever that is. Because I'm not getting any one situation, any specific thing, whether it is about your whether it's about your work, whether it's about your personal life, I'm not sure about it, because there is a huge collective watching it, and they will have their own their own deals. But I will tell you one thing for sure: when you just concentrate on this card, the very first thing which pops up in your head is going to be the real deal, which is asking you to actually go in the shadows and do the work. And trust me on this, shadow work is not something that you have to go and fight with somebody. Not at all. It is just simple thing. Sit with yourself today. Just take at least 1 minute, 2 minute, 10 minute, however long you want to stretch it. Just sit and observe. Let that feeling comes to you. That one feeling you are actually running away from. Just sit with it once. Just let it come. Just process it once. Just see. Ask yourself why I'm feeling this way. What is the reason? I am not a problem, but there is an emotion which is a problem for me. Let me just um, you know, let me just hear myself today. Let me just hear. I hear everyone out there. I listen to everyone out there, but why not I hear myself? And once if I do that, if I hear myself, I hope my problem can be solved. So in that case, I should definitely, listen. I should be inward today. The work is inward this time, because this is a brighter future. This is like more or less like a future prediction, right? I am seeing this to be the next 6 months. I believe 2026 year is going to be a very good year for you, because this energy is gonna show up there. The work which you are putting today, the one step which you are taking today, is gonna multiply in 3 to 10, and see how the speed is running in this step. The only first step to here is just collaborating with yourself. Once you collaborate, once you gather, the legacy will be built from here. So you are on the right path. But see, the shadows will show up, and that is their work to do. Because the moving forward, you need to battle your shadows. Always, every time, if we have the sunny day, once or the other day, we will also have a cloudy weather or something. So that is a part of nature. So the same goes with our own spiritual journey. We are not always gonna have everything glittery and shiny. Some days we might go in the dark cave, where we have to sit with ourselves, where we have to do the shadow work. And it is fine, it is okay, because the brighter the future is, the deeper our inner work should be. So if we are in that path of sitting in that more we are mourning in that situation, it's fine, let's do it. Let's not run away from it, because if you run away from this kind of situation, it's not gonna show up. It's gonna postpone, because destiny has it for you, but it's gonna show up when you are ready. But if you will not do the work, my dear friends, you're not ready for it, right? And you have to be ready. You should be a very strong person in that case. So sitting with yourself is much more important. Can I get one more guidance, because I believe there is something I'm missing? Can I get one more guidance for them specifically today, what they should do today? Actually, I'm getting that today you should definitely sit with yourself, give yourself time, hear yourself out. There is an emotion which wanna show up, which wanna balance out, and you think that something has ended. Probably this is kind of an emotion which you think, okay, I have this thing which you're talking about. Yes, miss, I have already ended. I have processed it. Probably you haven't, did that. See, if you see, there are like a bunch of ants here. And I always consider there is prominently ant spirit, which really is helpful for this energy, because ants are the real deal in working things out. They are not the procrastinator. They are the one who actually work. Before shooting this video, I actually had some more, and I was just swiping them out of this. But see, they want to come up today because they had our message. So what ant spirit wants to say us, besides telling us that you have to work hard in a more systematic and productive way. You need, see, ants are the one who actually work in a team. So there might be a teamwork which you might be learning, maybe you're learning, or maybe you should learn how to cooperate with people. You should know how to actually deal with, people, how to work with them. Do I have any specific message? Okay, I'm gonna pick up one. That Yes, boundaries very important. That message can be just given by answer to me, because see what happened is, the boundaries is more or less like a I should say, like a dictatorship. Like we are actually saying that this is my path, this is my thing which I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna protect it. Because if you see, the ants also have a queen which they protect. All the working ants, they protect it. So you are supposed to protect your dreams as well. You cannot just go out there and just be very vocal about it. Sometimes we have to protect ourselves. We have to protect our dreams. We have to protect ourselves basically from all these kind of things. And in this process, definitely you need to protect your energy. Do not get into the deep, darkest side of some people as well. If certain people shows up, which who are not good for you, who are not at all gonna do justice to you, then just simply make boundaries from them, because maybe they are not the ones who actually gonna be with you, right? Because I remember this was the first car to show up. So firstly, we have to deal with it, right? Firstly, we need to deal with our shadows, with our feelings, with our hidden emotions. Definitely we're going to work in that way, and then slowly and steadily we have to move forward. We have to start trusting ourselves. See, this journey is about you. Let me tell you, this journey is about you. You have to learn your own damn way, how to do it, how to deal with it. You have to learn it in your own in your own timing. You have to do it, and in that case, you have to be extra protective of your energy. You cannot just give off your energy to anybody out there. See, we have the bottom energy, which is Ace of Pentacles. So there is a promise of this energy going towards a very better and brighter future. All you have to do is to really make out these boundaries with your own self. Sometimes with your own self, that okay, I'm not gonna be consumed by this energy so much that I miss out these energies, these things which I have on my table. So I have to work in such a way that I'm in a harmony with myself, with my surroundings. If somebody shows up in a very disrespectful way, I'm not gonna give it a damn. Maybe that person has some Scorpio energy, something like that. So I'm not gonna give them that kind of energy. They seems like very loyal. They seems very put together. I am thinking it's a feminine energy more or less, or maybe somebody who's have this feminine domination things, and that person might actually try to woo you, and comes in your good books, but that person doesn't actually value this part of you, because that's why they are not here. You are here, you are working and protecting yourself, you are having this new beginning which is showing up for you, and I'm strongly seeing this is the January 2026 energy. This is what you're gonna get, but this needs to be worked fast. This shadow is showing up for a purpose, but it should not be something that you are over consuming. You do not consume yourself, because you have to start as well. I'm not saying that this will be starting next year. No, it's gonna be somewhere in the middle of the journey by next year. It's gonna be there, and for the full year check, I think you will be able to create this legacy which you are working on. But definitely, you have to be very careful here, because you have to set certain boundaries with yourself, with your own self, with your mind, with your body, with your spirit, as well as with other people as well. So that's all from my side. I hope this message finds you well, and you will be able to implement it. If you have, if you connect, and if you have any other thing to say and share to us, definitely ping us up there. It's gonna be a real helpful for me and the channel to grow up. Thank you so much for connecting. Bye.